Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, and welcome back to Trade Intuition. Today, no camera. I just woke up about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes ago. And man, did I get some sleep? Oh my gosh, it was such great sleep. It was amazing. Now, granted, I think I was up for 2.5 days with no Ronald Reagan, just say no, none of that stuff. Just couldn't sleep. And now I am rejuvenated, revitalized. All right, guys, so we're going to look at Bitcoin. This is going to be a quick show. I am running extremely late, of course, with the whole fiasco as far as Discord and, kind of dissolving that to go back to Telegram. I'm just more comfortable on Telegram. And I tried, guys. I tried so hard, like really hard. It was literally teaching an old dog new tricks. And the whole thing with Discord has really threw a huge monkey wrench into just everything. However, we're going to get over it. We're going to get past it. We're going to have that water under the bridge. And we're going to continue doing what we do. And what we do is we make money. We make money because we teach how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. All that stuff gets way too confusing. Super confusing. What we do is we just show you how to, like literally it is this easy. Are y'all ready, guys? Y'all already know what I'm going to say. Yes, definitely smash the likes, share out the channel. The thing that I'm going to say, trading is only as hard and difficult as you make it. Because all trading is support, resistance, trend lines. So if it breaks support, then okay, more than likely it's going to find another support somewhere. Until it finds that support, then it starts coming up. So that's when it found support. And then could it lose that support, that same support? Sure can. So all we do is we trade level by level. If you trade patterns, great. If you trade, the Elliott waves, it's great. If you do just any kind of, whatever you do, as long as you're making money, do it. Oh yes, this is my Telegram handle. It's trade_intuition. So definitely reach out to me. If you are a member in the Discord and you want access to the free portion and also the VIP portion, as long as, of course, you're a paid VIP member, you get access to that. Right now, the groups are still, brand new, so there's nothing in there. With the exception, I posted a chart, earlier today, I think like at 3 or 5 in the morning, forget what time it was, in reference to a chart. Like we're already, about to make some money. We're about to make some money. So just kind of give you a heads up. Let's see here. Always Learning says, oh, I don't have this on. So let me go ahead and restream chat. Always Learning says, sleep, finally. Glad to hear, brother. Yeah, man, I got some, man, I woke up and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm late for school. I'm late for, oh wait, mom, wait, oh, where am I at? I was like, oh, that's right. I had sleep deprivation and finally got some sleep. So good stuff. Let's see here. Always Learning says, already hit the thumbs up. Thank you, man. Yeah, as soon as y'all come in, man, that helps out so much. Doing all the just any kind of interaction, whether it's the floating hearts, whether it's, doing the like, just everything, guys. And I appreciate you. I appreciate y'all so much. So just thank you for all the hard work y'all put in. And of course, oh, there it is. We got Ian in the house. We got Ian. Thank you, brother, for being here. Appreciate you. All right, so let's go and get started, guys. This is going to be a quick live stream. It's going to be roughly around 30 minutes. And we're going to go over Bitcoin. Going to go over, if you got coins, let's go over that. So again, reach out to me at trade_intuition. And we'll get you squared away as far as, your VIP membership. And also, if you are brand new and you want to kind of see what we do, there's a free chat. Like we talk crypto, I even give out setups in the free portion. And on Tuesdays, we're still going to do that. On Tuesdays, we're going to have a live screen share where you can ask questions. You can, it's basically a free 1 hour mentorship. We're still doing that, guys. You know, I'm all about free. I do absolutely love that. And of course, we have the paid version, which is the VIP. And there you get everything the same. Everything's the same. The only thing different between the free and the paid is you get more updates. When exactly to enter, when exactly to move up your stop loss. It's literally a step-by-step thing. And I have not seen this anywhere. Man, I was on story time. I went to another group. It's one of the paid groups. I went to the other group, and man, it was so horrible. It was so absolutely horrible. And this is a paid group. So let's go ahead and look at, let's just do a random coin. I'm just going to do a random coin. Let's go to, let's say this one. And this is what they, man, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. So let's do this. Let's just hide all this mumbo jumbo. And this is how they do their charts and how they do their setups. And granted, this is a paid group. So I'm going to show you just really, really quick. So they do this, and then let's say right here. Yep, that looks perfect. That looks perfect. So this is their setup. And then they brag about it too. Like, that's the horrible part. So they do this, right? And oh yeah, I'm actually probably doing too much already. I don't even know where it's at, but I'm looking for the thingamabob. The thingamabob that does the, oh yeah, here it's right here. They'll do this. And I guess we'll leave it there. It doesn't matter. We'll do it right here. They'll do something like this. And then they'll post it. That's it. No words. No nothing. No buy the breakout. Wait for the candle to close. You know, looking for, etc., etc. The daily has this and this. You know, this is a, you know, whatever coin. Here's the market cap. You know, this is what I'm expecting. None of that. None of that. This is their chart. Well, this will probably be better. This is their chart. No explanation, no nothing. You know, if you don't know how to do this, sorry for you. Sorry for you. If you can't read this, sorry for you. As opposed to, you know, the way I do it. And there's so, and then, okay. So then the price action will do this. You know, come out, do this, 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 whatever, whatever, whatever. And then it does this. And then they'll say, you know, look, guys, you know, we hit our target, this and that, blah, blah, and this and this. And it's like, dude, but we got stopped out a few times. Like, why you, and then, like, if you are in groups and they post a chart, and this is, I'm referring to leverage. This is a leverage group that I'm looking at. And they, you know, as soon as, let's get rid of this. Let's do control this. So let's say right here, they post this chart. And then not even a second later, they post a, the result, you know, just showing that they're in it already, 7x leverage, and they're up 14%. It's like, dude, like, you just posted it. Like, how are you in profit already? Well, they're in profit already because they enter the coin before they post it. For me, what I do is, for like 99% of the time, I'm charting it and I send it to you guys, and then I enter it. That's what I do. And then on top of that, like, I'll also show you my actual entry to where it's at probably later than what you got it in. But what they'll do is they'll get in beforehand, then they'll post it, pump their bags. So, yeah, it's pretty bad, man. I'm in a lot of groups, and I don't know, but people are just so used to that. Nah, not the group that I help. You know, this is very step by step. All right. Moving on. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's get on with this because I have a lot of work to do. So of course we're talking about plan A, plan B. Plan A, plan B. Is this going to be a bull trap? Well, let's zoom in. It came all the way down into, look how, man, I love these zones. I love support resistance. I love trend lines. Here, it broke down. So this is, you know, not looking good for Bitcoin. This is saying that, okay, you know, it'd be really nice if, let's go to an hourly so we can see just more candles. And it did it too. Wow. Okay. So it'll be really nice if Bitcoin breaks down. Bitcoin breaks down, and then possible, where it goes and it does a bearish retest. And if it does a bearish retest, then that's really good. That's really good because that's showing, okay, we're going to lose this support and it's going to continue coming down. You know, before this was support area, but then it broke. So here it goes. It does a bearish retest right on the zone. You know, just a little bit higher would have been the trend line. Comes down and then right to the bottom of the zone. Right to the absolute bottom. Then it says, nope, just plain liquidation city, population, not me. And then it comes up. And then here we can have like an inverse head and shoulders. But the main thing to see here is, here's your neckline. The neckline, all it is resistance. It broke through with the vengeance, and now it's back over here. For me personally, I wanted to short Bitcoin a long time ago, and I actually did it just for fun. It was on live stream, just for fun, and it would have been so amazing if it would have hit, you know, continued, and then of course I would look like a genius. I only put like 10 bucks in. It was nothing, you know, it was just for fun. And sure enough, I got some profits for about 30 minutes, and then it turned around, and then it went up. Good Lord. But right now, you know, I don't know about you guys. Let me know if you're waiting for a pullback. Let me know in the chat. Are you waiting for a pullback? Or are you very, very bullish and it's going to go to 100K really soon? Look at this, guys. We're at 70. Man, we're at 70. This is so amazing. And you're never going to get it for 30 again. Never. That's good. That is so good. All right. So for Bitcoin, do I see it continuing to go up? Yes. I mean, I don't even want to say it's FOMO anymore. It's just, this is what it is now. You know, we'll be lucky. I mean, super, if it comes down to 59. If we get a retrace and it comes to 59, we will be so incredibly lucky. But this might be our new low area. You know, we might not even come down to here. This might be our new low area. So if we do get a retracement, we're looking inside for this box, inside this box. And then, of course, this is our new foundation. But we'll see. We shall see. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see. Ian says, Watcher Guru posted worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options expired today. Do you see that a possible reason for the pullback today? No, it just, I've been waiting for it, dude. You know, one day I'll be right. One day. You know, I've been calling for a pullback since December. And I have been wrong for 3 months. 3 months. We'll just call it 2, but it's 3. I have been wrong. Well, I wouldn't say wrong. It's just not right yet. But it just continues to kick butt. But, well, yeah, man, it's just crazy. It's crazy. See, Always Learning said, I entered a short on the bearish retest. Smart, very smart. I do like how you think. Here's our bearish retest we were just talking about. That's a smart move. But obviously it got stopped out. And it happens. But this right here, I would have taken this. If I was looking to short this, you know, I would have taken it. Now, granted, the sentiment for Bitcoin right now is extremely bullish. Like I have never seen it this bullish before. Even though I know it should come down. It continues to defy my intuition. Yeah, I used it. I used the word intuition. And it continues to go up. So, but I would have taken that too. If I was looking at this and I was like, you know what? Bearish retest, it looks like it's coming down. And then, look at this. Let's just examine this. Not after the fact, but as if we were actually in the trade. And this is what I do. This is what I do here in the channel. This is what I do in the VIP. It broke down, came up, bearishly retested, And then it broke this level. It broke this level. So what does that tell me? Moon mission, going the opposite way. Cool. And then of course it said, nope, nope. And then once it started doing this, then I would have been really, really scared that it was going to break this level. And then depending on where my stop loss would have been, probably somewhere up here, depending on my leverage, I would have moved it super tight. And maybe over here, just in case. Now I'll probably put it here. So in case it came up and then came back down, came up, didn't hit it yet, and then hopefully lose. But nope. And of course with patterns, let's look at patterns. We have a top, and then we have a perfect top. We have a double top here. All it needs to do is break this neckline. Well, actually the neckline, I would say probably right here, but this would be a safer one. And you know, this looks like a great short opportunity. And then it said, nope, see ya, suckers. And it said, liquidation city, population, nacho. It's really tricky. But when it does play out, it's going to dump really hard. I think possible. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. All right, moving on. Thank you guys for smashing the likes. You guys are the best. For the people here on YouTube, thank you so much for doing those floating hearts. Appreciate you. Also streaming on Twitter. Thank you for everybody showing up on Twitter as well. Loving all the hearts on Twitter, all the likes. So keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at, let's look at the market. We haven't looked at the market in a little bit. So let's go over here. Let's go to market. And yes, I have a lot of watch list. So what is Ethereum versus Bitcoin? Well, Ethereum is getting its butt kicked compared to Bitcoin. So this is what this means. It's a battle. It's a tug of war. You know, this one against this one. And right now, this one is losing the fight against Bitcoin. So that's what that means. We have Bitcoin dominance. When Bitcoin dominance goes up, this is a whole story. When Bitcoin dominance goes up and Bitcoin goes up, that's not good for the alts. Because that's just saying that more people are buying Bitcoin and less people are buying or / holding altcoins. So the dominance Bitcoin has over the entire market is increasing, which just makes sense to where the dominance, the overall market of the altcoins is decreasing. When that decreases, then this side, this portion of the pie increases. So that's how that works. Always Learning says, was consider buying Bitcoin for my IRA, but now I'm not sure I will ever get the pullback. Yeah, which makes, yeah. Yep. Been trying to decide if we should buy only one or if I missed the opportunity. I don't think there's ever a missed opportunity. You know, if you have the opportunity to get some, I would get some. And then if it does dip, if it does come down, let's just say 20-30%, then try to buy some more. If you have the funds, just try some more. You can't go wrong with getting Bitcoin. Just imagine you hold that sucker for 5 years. Good Lord. 2 years. Good Lord. 1 year. Good Lord. So I'll just give you a heads up. What is the Dixie doing? What is the Dixie? The Dixie is the dollar index. And this shows you the strength of the dollar. When this goes up, usually the stock market, which would be this, the ES1 exclamation point, goes down. You know, we can see it coming down just a little bit. The stock market is really strong, really strong. And the Dixie, currently, right now, is looking pretty strong. Come on, TradingView. Get with it. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, TradingView. Uh-oh. I think somebody might be outside chewing my wires. Somebody, come on now. Do I have internet? What's going on here? There we go. Good Lord. So we have total. What is total? Total is the crypto total market cap. $2.573 trillion with a T. And pretty soon we're going to see this even more. Even more. Look at this, guys. At the peak, of November 2021. Man, I remember that. November 2021, everything was so great. Everybody was saying, Joe, my Uber driver, people that I've been talking about crypto for the past, year and a half, all this part, Joe, man, crypto is amazing. I've made so much money. I told you guys. And sure enough, man, right after that, just came down and down and down. I learned a lot of lessons, guys. I learned a lot of lessons the past bull run and the past bear market. And of course, we're going to just kill it. We're going to kill it. So here, the last one, the peak was $3 trillion. That was the peak. We haven't even really started. I mean, if you think about it, like, yes, it's good right now, but remember all this euphoria, all this, everybody's making crazy gains, everybody's becoming millionaires. You remember this? We haven't even started. And here we're already at very, very close to the all-time high total market cap back in November 2021. We are so lucky to be in this game right now, guys. We are so lucky to be in this game. Let's see here. Hello, everyone. Late to the party. Not too shabby. But yeah, just to let you know, this is gonna be kind of a quick stream. I have a bunch of stuff to do. I was waiting for 100K. Yeah, yep. Yeah, that's what everybody said, and they also said that it was going to be an extended bull market, and I got bamboozled. I said, oh yeah, everything's going great. People are saying like March, maybe April, and then I didn't sell in November. Everything was coming down. Then it started going up a little bit. Oh look, it's good. It's coming up. And then now back then, just kept on. And then finally, in I believe it was, January, February, I started selling off my stuff. But I mean, it had already come down a lot already. But I'm really glad I didn't sell my VRA. I am really glad. I had put way too much money into that to lose 30-40% at that time. And then I got kind of desperate. It's like, you know what? I'm tired of seeing this. And I would just check it every, few months. It was down like 80%. I was like, man, I can just get out of this, buy a pizza or maybe a soda, I was like, no, you know what? I don't need the money to trade right now. Plus, I'm not trading. Let me just leave it there. And I'm really glad because during this time, it was still staking. I was still staking it. And during this time, I made about $1,000 worth of VRA. What is VRA? Let's see. VRA. So VRA's price is 0.01. So I made $1,000 just in the bear market with holding that. Now, get out of here. Warning. Now, let's say that $1,000 that I made, not including, all the stuff that I have, but just the $1,000 that I made, that $1,000, let's just say it's right here. If we were to cash out right now, I see this doing work again. I really do. I see this doing work again. And just to get on average where it was the last bull cycle, we're looking at a 6x just on what I made during the bear market. That's pretty cool. A 6x, $1,000. So, and that's money that is free money because I didn't sell it. I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take that. And then of course, all the VRA that I do have staked, I'll be unstaking it, and you better believe I'm going to be selling every single last one of them. I'm not going to make the same mistake. Now, as far as if I do stake, I will be staking during the beginning of the bull run, but not towards the end. I'll make sure I'm out. Got to. All right. Let's see, any coins, guys? Any coins? If not, we will be wrapping up the show. I'm concentrating more so on Telegram. I'm, putting everything in there, adding people to the groups. I made a video in reference to I will never DM you, and then also how to hide your phone number on Telegram, and how to make folders on Telegram. That way, of course, it's organized and it's really easy to see the call outs. But any questions? I'm checking right now on Twitter to see if we have any questions on Twitter. Okay, I don't see anything on Twitter. And so here's a chat for Twitter. I've never seen this before. I didn't know you could do this. It says, I'm just gonna say hi. So where did it come up? Okay. So this is pretty cool. I've never seen this before. I've never really looked. But I clicked on the broadcast for Twitter, or I guess my thing, or I don't know how I got here. But they have a chat box for Twitter. I've never seen this before. So right now I just put hi. So that's pretty cool. Okay, moving on. But yeah, guys, if you have a token you want me to do, let me know. If not, forever hold your peace, because where is my thing? Because then I will be, I got a lot of work. Trying to find, and even though I was super tired last night, I think it was already like 3 or 4, I don't even know. I was like, oh man, like I got to find a chart to see, well, I got to look at the charts real quick to see if there's a possibility for entering. And I believe we posted one. All right, so give it a few moments. I know there is a bit of a lag to see if we're going to do anything. Man, that's a huge lag. That's like a good minute lag from the post that I put on Twitter to it coming up on Restream's chat box. That's a huge lag right there. Cool. All right, so anything else, guys? Anything else? Let's go to, let's look at YouTube Rapid Fire. Anything green? So yeah, Sol's been kicking butt. Sol has been kicking butt. I have like, I forgot why I bought it, but I'm like 30%. But it's a little, it's like $50. I think I was just doing a test run to see how fast it would come over to my exchange. I was like, let me do a test run real quick. It was pretty fast. And this one, of course, we were talking about over here, did break out. Then of course we more than likely would have gotten stopped out, possible. And then the levels stay the same. So the thought process is the same. Once it breaks out, you enter. Then you go on a retest, and look what it did here. It went up, came back down, beautiful on this retest. Then of course you enter once it starts coming up, because you never know, it could go down, it could. And then we enter here. Then of course it formed this top. What we do is we enter again at the last portion of this top, which had been here, because you don't want to do all in right here, because let's just say it dumps, and then you're out 15% of your 100%. So if you did $100, you lost 15 bucks real quick. Or if you did a third, you lost 15% of $33. So that's how that works. It's safe and it's good. And what happens if it blows up? You only got in one position. That's fine, as long at least you're in, and then just wait for a retrace. Then you can add to your bags. And then same thing here. Boom, boom. So if you are in this trade, and I would move up my stop loss right here. So if you did take this trade, I would definitely move up my stop loss to 166.98. And then if you get stopped out, hey, you're in profit. And of course it did hit our target, which is good. All right. So I believe that's going to be it. I don't see any questions for coins or just questions in general. So that's gonna be it. I got a lot of work to do, guys. You will be seeing me on Telegram. You're gonna be seeing me on Telegram, so definitely reach out to me. And of course, my username is right here, trade_intuition. Trade_intuition. So definitely hit me up on Telegram. If you are a paid VIP member, hit me up, and that way we can switch you over. If you are just somebody who wants to get another free group, then definitely hit me up. Just say, hey, can you add me to the free chat? And then I'll add you to the free chat group. All right, guys, so that's it for me. I do thank you so very much. And we will see you on the next live stream and in Telegram. All right, guys, 3, 2, 1. Let's make this money.